Hello IG Garage family! Has your car thrown the P0600 code, and now you're wondering what it means? This code is related to a serial communication link malfunction, which means your car's computers are not talking to each other properly. This can cause all sorts of strange issues, from engine misfires to shifting problems. In this video, we'll break down what the P0600 code means, where the key sensors are located, and how to diagnose and fix it. And at the end, I'll suggest two related videos, P0025 and P0221, to help you fix other potential issues. Let's get started. The P0600 code is a generic OBD-II error indicating a problem in the serial communication link between the car's powertrain control module and other control modules like the transmission control module, ABS module, or body control module. When this happens, the PCM can't properly communicate with other essential systems, leading to poor performance or even a complete failure to start. Symptoms of P0600. Check engine light is on. Erratic shifting if you have an automatic transmission, poor acceleration or rough idling, car goes into limp mode, and difficulty starting the engine. Common causes of P0600. 1. Damaged or loose wiring. Corrosion, short circuits or disconnected harnesses can cause communication failures. 2. Faulty PCM, powertrain control module. A failing PCM can stop sending signals correctly. 3. Bad ground connections. A poor ground can cause unstable voltage and weak signals between modules. 4. Blown fuse. A blown fuse in the PCM or communication circuit can cut off signals between the modules. 5. Aftermarket modifications. Unstable ECU tuning or aftermarket electrical modifications may interfere with the serial communication. First, check and reset the PCM. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the system. Reconnect and see if the code comes back. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wiring near the PCM, TCM, and fuse box. Clean and reconnect any loose harnesses. Then test the fuses and relays. Use a multimeter to check for blown fuses related to the PCM and communication circuit. Replace any faulty fuses. Also, check for aftermarket ECU mods. If you've recently tuned your ECU, it might be causing unstable communication. Try reflashing or restoring the original software. Finally, replace the PCM if necessary. If the PCM is confirmed faulty, replacement and reprogramming will be required. This should be done by a professional with the correct tools. So, that's everything you need to know about P0600 serial communication link malfunction. If your car is acting up, checking the wiring, fuses, and PCM connections should be your first step. Before you go, don't forget to check out these related videos. 1. P0025 camshaft timing over retarded, bank 2. 2. P0221 throttle position sensor B range performance. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss a fix from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.